Why do dust explosions happen? Many factories install dust collectors, yet still encounter severe blasts. Dust collectors need to deliver efficient dust removal and reliable explosion protection at the same time. As a professional dust removal manufacturer, Decent Machinery solves these hidden dangers. We take our custom wood dust collector for Mexico as an example to display our full multi-layer explosion-proof system.
This wood dust collector from Decent Machinery consists of 4 major components: upper cabinet, lower cabinet, centrifugal fan, and control cabinet. It is assembled with standardized to millimeters galvanized steel plates, then by CNC machines for smoothness and firmness. Each cabinet is labeled, and installation drawings are offered. Assembly is as easy as building Lego, enabling quick and efficient on-site setup. Next, we will introduce its core advantages, from safety protection and convenient maintenance. 6 explosion vent panels come as standard. The area of each panel is accurately calculated with international explosion-proof formulas to release excess pressure and block blast waves. A double-lock sight window is installed on the hopper, allowing workers to check internal dust and sparks in real time to eliminate hidden explosion risks in advance. Double-layer reinforced support legs keep the machine stable under strong winds, preventing sparks caused by shaking and friction. The control cabinet is printed with obvious safety marks and equipped with an emergency stop button to cut off all power immediately in case of fire. The fan inspection door adopts a double-handle design with sealing gaskets and bolts to effectively avoid air and dust leakage. A manual drain outlet at the bottom of the fan to drain accumulated rainwater and prevent damp corrosion. The fan impeller blades are 5 mm thick, sturdy and wear-resistant, and barely generate high-temperature sparks. During long-term high-speed operation, the dust hopper of the dust collector is equipped with an ash trolley for easy ash cleaning. The trolley has 4 wheels and can be pushed out freely. The control cabinet is fitted with a display screen showing real-time air volume and pressure, together with an ammeter and voltmeter for clearing operation data. It is equipped with a SIEMENS inverter. All circuits are pre-connected at the factory and marked in English to facilitate commissioning and maintenance for overseas clients. Ladders and guardrails are attached to the machine for workers to safely climb up and inspect filter bags and cabinets. The fan shell is 3 mm thick with reinforcing ribs, and English operation warning signs are printed on its surface. Wood dust in woodworking workshops is flammable and explosives. This dust collector with multi-layer safety protection can effectively block sparks and avoid fire and explosion hazards. Choose explosion-proof wood dust collectors from Decent Machinery to safeguard workshop production safety from the source and build a solid dust explosion protection line for your factory.